Markets are crashing. Bitcoin is down almost 10% over the last 24 hours. And this is a fantastic topic for day 38 out of our 90-day game plan. Why? Very simple. When you're working on something, doesn't matter if you're an entrepreneur focused on something or as a team lead or even a team member, every day you have things that you cannot control that try to take your attention away from those things that you can control and that you should be working on. Now, I get it. In crypto, the markets are extremely volatile, to the up, to the down. And obviously, life is a lot easier and a lot more fun when prices go up, especially if you're long crypto and you benefit from this. And as a crypto company, we're inherently benefiting from prices that go up. Obviously, prices that go down really hurt us. And it's the same actually for the entire industry. Unless you're a hedge fund who bets on ups and downs, we don't do that. So obviously, when you have these really crashing prices with the US selling, the German government selling, and now the Mt. Gox coins starting to get distributed, obviously people really panic. But this is where it gets really crucial that you as a team lead, you kind of set the tone for this, right? It's normal that to a certain extent, people kind of get influenced by this. But you need to really set the tone that people focus on what they can control. And this is so absolutely essential because otherwise, if you create this nervousness in the team and you're like, oh, look at this, oh my goodness, look at this, everyone kind of starts doing this. And at the end, you can also just go and say, okay, look, I know prices are crashing, it's a fact, and look, there's also no point in denying this, but you're like, look, let's focus on those things that we can control. We just launched a fiat on-ramp. Let's focus on people being able to buy the dip. Let's focus on the next kind of thing, which is for us really improving the tax efficiency on all our products. Okay, let's get the liquid staking products out. Let's focus on how we can include this in the bundles and so on. And so don't just go and talk about stuff not existing, right? Because that also is not credible to the team. The team want an acknowledgement of a certain situation. But this is not the crucial thing, right? The crucial thing is not to kind of block everything and just ignore it. It's to acknowledge this for a few seconds or a few moments and then shift your attention and energy on those things that really, really matter and that you can control. And we can't control the market. We can really only control what we can build and produce. So for you, this is truly a daily thing. It doesn't matter if it's the small things where then other things pop in and try to grab your attention, where it's about acknowledging those things and then shifting your attention focus back to the key things that do matter, that you do have in control, right? And the same in a business, in a company, and it applies to the team as well. And so maybe on a quick personal note, right? People have been asking me, what are you doing right now? Are you buying? Are you selling? To me right now, really, I'm not all too focused at all on the price action because for me, and I truly mean this, I'm really focused on the business. So for me, no action at the moment. I'm not buying the dip right now. I'm not selling. I'm just waiting a bit. I may start getting aggressive on the buying if it truly goes down a bit lower. But at the moment, to me, that whatever 10% is not too significant. I know it's really going to cause some emotions. And it also doesn't worry me. I mean, crypto can turn around on a dime. The negativity that set in over the last week, I mean, it can turn around in such a bullish sentiment, especially if an Ethereum ETF is coming out. I mean, suddenly, you have this thing ripping. So, yeah, to me, not really all too worried, really focused on what we're doing here, and so should you. If you want to buy the dip, check it out. Go to our app and test out our new on-ramp. Otherwise, make sure you allocate funds to our products and services. Would really appreciate that. With this, everyone, have a good Friday. Have a good start into the weekend. Obviously, I'm going to be live or I'm going to be producing videos. I'm not going to do them live, but I'm going to be recording videos tomorrow and on Sunday. So make sure you subscribe and I'll see you then. Thanks so much. Yours truly, Julian. Bye-bye.